Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Nginx user permissions for static directories, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by connecting to your server via SSH. Use a terminal application like PuTTY or the built-in terminal on your system. Log in with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the directory where your static files are stored. Use the command cd/path/ to /your /static/ files. Replace /path/ to /your /static/ files with the actual path to your static directory. Next, check the current user permissions with the command lsl. This will display the permissions and ownership of the files in that directory. Identify the user and group that should own these files. Typically, this user and group will be www data for Nginx. To change the ownership, use the command sudo chown or www data at www data /path/ to /your /static/ files. The R flag ensures that the command applies recursively to all files and subdirectories. After changing ownership, verify the permissions again with lsl. Next, set proper permissions for the directories and files. For directories, input the command sudo find /path/ to /your /static/. This command sets the permission to 755 for all directories. Then, set the permissions for files using sudo find /path/ to /your /static/ files type fexec chmod 644, plus. This command sets the permission to 644 for all files. Finally, test the changes by accessing your static files through a web browser. Check to confirm that they are loading correctly and there are no permission errors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.